Today, we are really excited to release Find and Replace, allowing for full-page batch editing in Divi. This new feature lets you make sweeping changes across your entire page instantly, saving you hours upon hours of editing time with the click of a button. This is yet another incredible efficiency improvement that you won't find in any other page builder. Everything in Divi now supports Find and Replace. Simply right-click on a setting and choose the Find and Replace option. This will allow you to search through your entire page or a particular part of your page for specific values and replace those values with something new. This means you can change your page's color scheme, fonts, and more in a matter of seconds. When you find and replace values, you have full control over the scope and location of the replacement. You can find and replace particular values within particular areas, or you can find and replace values across your entire page. You can limit the replacement to particular option types, or you can find and replace values across all modules and all options. The system is incredibly robust. Imagine you've just imported one of Divi's amazing free layout packs, but you want to customize it to match your website's brand. The beauty of Divi is that you have full control over everything, but changing dozens of colors and fonts one by one still takes time. With the new Find and Replace feature, however, you can perform batch edits across your entire page instantly. What used to take minutes or even hours now takes only seconds. The new Find and Replace system is available today, so download Divi and take it for a spin. Let us know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to check back next week for even more great Divi features coming your way.